Okay, so now in first video I have shown that the spectrum of sodium chromate solution and also the methyl orange solution which acidified with acetic acid. Now I just want to go a little bit to edit method to see what we have in here. So in order to go there, I'm just going to clear the picture, the spectrums. Then I'm going to go to edit methods. In edit methods, you can select the wavelength from 190 nanometer, which is in UV visible, in UV spectrum, and up to 110 nanometer. So, which is basically in visible range. So a scan speed is just allowing me to do, if you want to do high resolution, you're going to go to lower scan speed, which is 120 nanometer per minute, to up to 2400 nanometer per minute scan speed. So the wavelength interval is going to change. So instead, if you choose 120 nanometer per minutes, so as you can see, the wavelength interval is going to be 0.1 nanometer, which is a very good resolution. So if you go to, for instance, 600 nanometer per minute, the wavelength interval is going to be 0.5 nanometer. And finally, if you go to 2400, then it's going to be 1 nanometer resolution. So it's just up to you, but it's just something you gain, something you're going to lose. You're going to lose the time, you're going to gain the resolution. Usually the instrument is just already set it up with the wavelength resolution close to 1200. So that's the resolution. You can just do many things, sampler, different single cell, and which is on this instrument come with single cell. That there are multiple cell holder. Sniffer is just going to attach to this, and also different accessory you can just adjust with this one. Anyway, this is edit method. So if you go to here, as you can see, you can select wavelength Lexan, fixed scan wavelength, kinetic and time, single current analysis, single component analysis, and nucleic acid analysis, and polymeric validation. So basically, it does give you a large variety of range that you can use in polymer science, biochemistry, and kinetic measurement, physical chemistry, and many things that even you can think of. So again, this is a very good piece of lab equipment, and I'm happy that I'm working with this equipment. Thank you, and I'm happy. I'm just very glad to see you in my next video.